Good morning, game makers. This week we're going to be starting our new game, which is going to be Coding Breakout. The game works something like this, where you'll have a ball, a paddle, and then some bricks that you're going to break. We're going to make three different bricks, or at least during my instruction, I'll show you how to make three different bricks that all do different things. And this will be our first game that has the potential to have multiple rooms. I also included a portal here. Now, if I was programming this game for players and I wasn't just testing all of my features, I probably wouldn't put this all on level one. But just so you can see how it works, spacebar launches the game. We have some bricks that take multiple hits to break. We have a jelly brick, which captures the ball and then slowly drops it. You can see we have the standard brick that just breaks when you get rid of it. Our paddle can be affected by the jelly that drops. You can see we got some dust that comes off our cement bricks and all kinds of things. So right now, like I said, a lot going on in this one level here that I probably wouldn't typically put in a level one, but I wanted to just show you the sorts of things that we're going to do. I will show you how to create different levels, different rooms. Those portals can really be challenging. Oh, I forgot the power up. The power up, depending on when you capture it, will have two effects. It'll either slow the ball down, or as you can just see, it'll increase the size of your paddle temporarily. Um, you can also notice that at the top, there's going to be a way to keep track of your high score. We'll use some user-defined global variables, and there's a lot going on. The biggest difference in this game and some of the others um, is that we're going to be using coding. So you can see the game is over. So whatever my score was now becomes the high score, but only if it's higher than the previous high score. And I'll show you all how to do all of those things. Just to take a look at some of the coding, the ball is definitely our most complex object. And so it's going to have the most. You can see that there's no drag and drop here. But once you get used to coding in the language of GameMaker, which, by the way, on your quiz coming up on Friday, the language in GameMaker is called GML, or GameMaker Language. And that's going to be something that we're going to learn a little bit of. And you can see, so here's all the coding for the ball. I'm probably going to move these two blocks of code to the different bricks that they're associated with. Um, just because I've decided that in my revision, when I rewrite this for class, I would like the ball coding to only involve the movement of the ball and not any of the collisions. The only collisions that really need to be here are the collisions with the wall. I'll show you how to make it so that your ball won't get lodged into your wall by using a little bit of creative coding that I found over the years. Lots of good stuff here. So we're going to be using GML, GameMaker Language, this week to create a breakout game that has three different blocks, some power-ups, some portals, and whatever else I've forgotten to mention. So that's this week. Well, this will be the remainder of the course. During this course, we're actually going to create all of the sprites that we're going to use. So we're not going to use any pre-made sprites. I will be making those uh, as you tune in. So that's what you got to look forward to. You'll learn a little bit of programming, and this sort of stuff, guys, can be transferred to any kind of programming. If you take a class with Miss Mayo or some other online programming, you're gonna learn a lot of habits and a lot of things here that can be easily transferred to other programming experiences. So I'm super excited. We're gonna make one of the most complex games yet, and I hope you're as excited as I am. Thanks for tuning in.